Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset network settings on Windows 11 and fix internet problems. If you find it useful, like the video and subscribe the channel. Click on the start button and select settings. Switch to network and internet. On the right side, scroll down and select advanced network settings. Again scroll down until you find network reset option. Click to open it. Click on the restart now and confirm the action by clicking yes on this dialog box. You will see this pop-up telling you that computer will restart automatically after 5 minutes. This time is given so that you can save open document on your PC. So do it if you have any. Basically this feature will remove and reinstall all network adapters and set networking components back to default settings. This means you need to reinstall VPN software and related softwares after this process is completed. Alright, if you don't want to wait, you can restart the PC manually as well. Once restart is done and you boot back to Windows 11 home screen, you need to click here, select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to, enter the password, and you are done. I hope this helps and fix issues related to internet on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching.